Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Iced tea seems like a great idea on these hot summer days, but store-bought iced tea isn't the healthiest. So today we're making perfectly sweet and delicious homemade peach iced tea with fresh peaches. In a medium saucepan, combine sliced peaches, half a cup of sugar, and 1 liter of water. Bring to a boil, then lower the heat and simmer for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, steep your tea. Put the tea bags in a large heat-proof jug or a teapot and pour over 400 milliliters of boiling water. Leave to steep for 5 minutes. I use black tea, but green tea or Earl Grey tea would also work great for this peach iced tea. Use less tea if you prefer it weaker or more tea if you prefer it stronger. After 5 minutes, carefully remove the tea bags. Try not to let it steep longer than 5 minutes or it can get bitter. Leave to cool, then transfer to the fridge until chilled. Now it's time to make the peach syrup. Remove the simmering peaches from the heat. As you see, peaches are so soft and the water has this pretty color. Put the peach slices in a strainer and mash them with the back of a spoon. Then let the peach syrup cool. You can reserve the mashed peaches for later use, such as to place over oats or ice cream, to use as a filling for your cookies or pies. Combine cooled down peach syrup and tea, then refrigerate until cool. Peach iced tea is ready. Natural flavor and color straight from the pot. Now it's time to serve. Fill up each serving glass with ice. Garnish with peach slices and fresh mint leaves if desired. And finally, pour the tea. Simple homemade peach iced tea is ready to be served. It's the perfect summer drink and sure to be a hit with the whole family. You could also make it with different fruits, and for a healthier choice, you could only use fruits as a sweetener. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching!